Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing a palm stone that fits your hand comfortably and feels smooth. This matters because physical comfort helps focus. Once chosen, cleanse the stone using water, smoke, or a brief salt rinse depending on material to remove prior energies. Then set a clear intention, one short phrase or goal, so the stone has a purpose. Make sure to breathe deeply as you hold it. This connects your focus to the object's feel and prepares you to work with it. You now integrate the palm stone into daily practice by holding it for 5–10 minutes while breathing slowly. This anchors attention and calms the nervous system. Once done, use it during meditation, walking, or as a tactile anchor when stress spikes. Its texture and weight refocus your mind. Make sure to switch hands occasionally, left for receptive, right for active focus, to maintain energetic balance. Over time, you'll notice the stone becomes a cue for relaxation and clearer intention. You finish by charging and maintaining the stone. Place it under sun or moon for 1 to 3 hours depending on the type, because different minerals respond to light differently. Once charged, store it wrapped in cloth and avoid chemicals or extreme temperatures to preserve texture and energy. If you ever notice the stone feels heavy or your focus slips, cleanse it again and reset your intention. This simple troubleshooting step restores clarity and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.